Welcome to FixSoft. In this video we'll learn how to install Visual Studio 2026 on Windows 11. So like the video, subscribe to channel, and let's get started. First, open your web browser. Type Visual Studio and press enter. You'll see the official Visual Studio website. Click on it. On the website, click on Get Started for free. Choose latest version. You'll see 3 versions: Community, Professional, and Enterprise. The Community version is free, so we'll download that one. Click Download Community. Now the setup file will start downloading. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click Setup File and select Open to begin the installation. After the installer opens, you'll see a list of workloads. These are bundles for different types of development. Choose based on what you plan to do. Below you'll see the installation path and required space, around 6.47 GB. If have not enough space on your C drive, that you can also select any other drive, then click Install. The installation will begin and download files in the background. Check this box if you want to launch Visual Studio automatically after installing. Visual Studio is now installed and open. You can sign in using your Microsoft or GitHub account, or you can skip this step. Then select a color theme. I'll choose dark theme and click Start Visual Studio. Visual Studio will now open. You can create a new project from the home screen or click Continue without code, and that's it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio. If you found this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.